It's okay. Sige lang. Just step up now. Most likely they have bomb, right? Careful shallow. Foot check OC. Catch them, boys. Come northwest. Keep going northwest. Yup, keep going northwest. Keep going. Yo, engage deep north now. On the run. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Deep on the run. Then keep going south. What? Keep east. Walk southeast, boys. Hug the wall southeast. Hug the wall SE. Then kahit pat natin any up the hill, okay? Okay? Careful lang, hold. If you have defensive, can bonk the gate. Cycle guardrails in front, please. Guardrails in front. Can bonk.
Second foot, guys.
Careful, ready defensives in front, ready patch nyo. Careful. Def. Yo, boys, just on the gate now. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Just on the gate now. Hit. Then come back. Alright, cycle fast. Tell me see this.
Ready now.
Left.
Kansky, ba't ka nandyan?
Roadbound.
Ready, I see.
Ready boy.
Yo, just on the gate now. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Just on the gate now. Hit. Come back. Sayang. Come back. It's okay. Hold.
30 gate.
It's okay, hold. Alright, just keep bonking. If you have gate, just bonk. If you have defensive, just bonk the gate. Okay. Careful shallow.
Ready for
Pick yan, careful.
Yep, just hold.
Next one, totoo na yan.
Shaper.
Alright. Yo, come southwest side nga, IC. Come southwest side. Yo, kita nyo itong over the wall northwest. Ito ang tinututukan ko. Over the wall northwest. Wait. Wala na. Bonk for now. Yep, bonk for now. Yo, in some step up. Kill, the guards. The guards now. Yo, Ditang, can bash southwest.
Looking over the wall sila.
Careful lang over the wall lang. Stay away over the wall. From over the wall.
Pinching up.
Careful. Ditang, bash slowly southwest. Alright. Careful. Get ready to stop them pillars north. Careful. Ditang, careful Ditang southwest. Pillars, get ready to pills north side. Pillars north side. Alright, careful na get. Careful.
Wala pang siege bomb. Nila.
Careful. Don't die. Oh, madness.
7.4 na ano? Shaper?
7-3.
7.3.
Naka siya,
Careful, Sophia.
Range pot.
Gatherer,
Alright,
ano na. Respond.
Alright, come to me.
Nakati yan. 10 range pot.
Alright, step up. Yep.
Ano yan?
Wait.
Strong
Drop
man.
Careful. Come here. Step up to me. Step up, wait. Yo, looking on the carpet tayo, guys. Wait. Yo, on the carpet now. In 5, 4, 3, 2, on the carpet now. Hit it. Big. Hit it. Come back. Hill front. Yo, slowly bash.
Basag ng suicide.
Nga, southwest gate. Please, Ditang. Slowly bash. If you have defensives, bash.
3 seconds.
Yes, okay. Cycle guard. Careful, shallow. Careful, shallow. Yo, shaper northeast. Tell me see this. I'm dead. Putang ina ka.
Ang ganda na.
Grabe yung ano nun.
Ready? Look west. Ready? Engage on me in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the step tacks. Go east.
Oh my days.
On the stairs, go to the stairs. Saka.
Nakidnap.
Palive nga. Sino pwede mag-live stream? Palive nga.
Oo.
Ready for ma.
Wait lang, ako yung Okay.
Yes. Careful ah.
Wait lang.
Ready defensives in front, boys. Ready defensives in front. Yo, careful shallow.
Shaper yun, no? Yung sumipa sa atin.
They're looking.
Careful shallow, boys.
Okay.
Yeah, careful shallow. Hold.
Go south nga daw. Dito sa akin ngayon.
Basag mo yung gate?
60% yun na.
Can do over the wall.
Okay.
Maglulok tayo over the wall.
Okay.
Pag nag-inshop sila. Hold lang.
40% narrow sa
Yung Ditang slowly bash nga.
Narrow boy.
40% narrow. 40% narrow kay narrow ha.
20%.
Abantay yung shape.
BG kay narrow. Careful shallow. Ready guard in front.
Careful.
Marchan, 15% now.
Fake.
10.
Fake.
Basag na narrow BJ Basag na narrow
Basag na.
Hold.
Narrow broken narrow broken.
Look over the wall.
Careful.
4.
Eh, di looking.
Engage me.
Def.
Nice. Go east now. Cycle guys.
Pwede pa tayo mag-hit ulit.
Top ready?
4
Ready mo siya na to.
seconds. Ready.
Ready? Over the wall again. Dito lang sa depth 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Kaya hindi ko abot. To, depth
May
to.
hammer sa kita sa ano.
Ang layo ng DPS
Inching up sila.
Yo.
Inching up
Careful,
sila.
careful.
Look
Shallow.
na.
They're looking,
Yeah.
they're looking.
Half front, half front.
Narrow is broken.
Narrow
Narrow is
na
broken.
sila, boy.
Go narrow, follow narrow.
Ready.
Go.
Walks out.
Natur-
Walks out.
Pam likod.
Yeah, careful. Let me see this.
Go cycle, go.
Ready.
Brawler
Look
behind.
west, ready? Look southwest, ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me.
Pinapressure likod ng brawlers.
Yeah, kameni. Doon kayo sa may narrow.
Go to narrow.
Yeah, doon sa may stairs.
Circle narrow.
Tayo.
Top ready.
Hold there. Hold on the stairs. Hold on the stairs.
Top ready.
Ready.
Okay, look northwest.
Full south, boys. Full south. May iwan kayo ha. Comes out. May iwan kayo.
Go side.
Yeah.
Hold you lang, Chok.
Dito ang spam Q. Spam nyo yung Q nyo. Contest nyo yung ano.
Hold.
Silence mother.
Look
Brawler
over
still-
the
Careful,
wall.
Frank.
Northwest, ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Over the wall. Kill guys. Kill this guy.
Nice.
Papaprotect
Almost.
si, ano.
Careful looking.
Helio,
Still
Helio.
kita. Two in middle. Looking for clumps siya. Looking for
Top
clumps.
right.
May nalabas west ha. Ano to?
Ingat sa west side ha. Dap.
Bump.
Wala. Manunulak lang yung kidnap
Fake
yan.
him, fake him.
Hold.
Dropping mana on
Hold.
IC.
Patay niya. May mga
They're pushing
bros sa
it.
labas. Patay
Ready
niya.
lang. Ready Perma.
Look, wait lang. Pag nag-dismount ang mga
You have to push Rio. Kailangan may push. May hipit yung alay.
Look north, ready? Okay. Look northwest, ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay. Layo ng mga bro.
Gagi Rio.
Tayo pre.
Go. Cycle, pass. Cycle pass.
Pandita nga, watch. Soki pa, watch ako, Soki.
Gago.
5 seconds.
Gulo ng laban.
Ready now.
Perma-club doon sa northwest, doon sa over the wall. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Perma-club na doon, northwest.
Putang ina ng tulak na.
Go
Careful.
southeast. Cycle, guys.
Mounted southwest ha. Southwest looking.
Matin sa
Feel southwest. Just feel southwest.
Sige,
Top
hawak.
right.
long CD4 na. Long CD4 na.
Okay.
Are they back down?
Sige, Rio kami
Ready
na
pa
bahala
naman.
sa southwest.
Go north. Just go north. Look on the narrow. Ready? In 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. On narrow. Nice kill.
Like,
Bayo,
Cycle,
inching
guys,
up yung
cycle.
brawlers.
Ready,
Inching up
Deb, ready,
brawlers right now.
Go south. Dap. Ano dito?
That
Go
game.
south.
Come south.
Top right. Go north
Ready now.
down.
Ang gulo.
Ready?
Ready.
Look southwest. Go inch of southwest.
Okay.
Go southwest.
Binubro lang tayo.
Go northeast now. Go east. Look north.
Alis
Ready?
kay Sol.
Engage
Look
me
easy
in
to
5,
sa inyo.
Okay na, looking.
3, 2, and 1. Dap.
Patay siya.
Front.
Front.
Nice one.
Dropping duty.
Cycle gun.
Dropping mana.
Cycling.
You can cycle.
Ready again.
Ready? Hold.
Pandu over the wall ah.
Okay, layo.
Okay, look north over the wall right in 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Big yan. Nice. Okay lang.
Kill the gate.
Cycle gun.
Nalokos ko yung gate. Tagos lang kayo.
Cycle gun.
Kill the game.
Ready yung ano.
First gate na sila.
Cycling
First gate na sila.
Southeast,
Looking
southeast,
flood, looking
southeast,
flood.
southeast.
Push yan.
Magpupush na yan.
Ready.
Okay. Hold. Wait.
Shoulder mo to gate.
Yeah, my Zerg is good. I'm dead, but my Zerg is good.
Look, hold. Just hold. Yeah. Sila. Go west side nga. Go southwest nga daw.
Southwest may brawlers.
Ready.
the fuck, day 30
Yeah, I'm dead, but my Zerg is good. I'm the only one that's dead.
Naubos tayo.
Just know, yeah, we see 10 minutes.
Rio, pick up ka ng tanks, Rio. Ito,
Yeah.
makita mo shallow.
Look on the gate. Ready in 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1.
Ready to
Nice.
death. Ready to
Balik ka
death.
bumalik agad.
Get right to field. Cycle gun.
Pero pull in
Ganun
niya.
lang.
Pull in na.
Hindi tayo
6
papasok. Hindi tayo
seconds.
papasok.
Ayun
Hindi
yun
tayo
ang joke.
papasok.
Hit ka lang na hit.
Ready.
Ready? Hold. Malayo sila.
Wait.
Dito tayo mo.
You can perma
They're cannon
cover
room.
the wall.
Cannon room sila, Vera. Cannon room. They're cannon room.
Wala na. No chance.
Hold.
Straight east.
Look nga daw dito sa ano,
West, west.
sa mortar. Kita niyo yung mortar?
Yeah.
Ready? Wait lang. Pag may lumapit. Hintayin ko
Don't cover.
lang.
Careful.
Okay.
Walking na.
Ching up.
The front,
Look
the front.
northwest over the
Okay,
wall.
na-
5,
Nalokos ko,
4,
nalokos ko.
3, 2, 1. Over the wall. Northwest.
Oh, yun.
Nice hit. Okay, go
Dropping
southeast.
duty and the gate. Kaka na reset.
Cycle gun. Nasa
Wala kayong alay dyan, ha? Yung alay nasa labas ng gate, ha?
Hindi sila narapit.
Careful kayo dyan.
Ikaw na alay.
Drop
Pabalik
mana.
mo man,
Pag nawala yung GA na yan, ha? Pwede, wait lang. Hold. Pag nawala yung Q ng GA, pwede nyo i-push, i-pull. Kaya nyo ba?
The velocity is 9 minutes, okay?
Yes, okay.
Pero mo
Sobrang
bigla.
lalim niyo dyan,
Ayaw na
dita.
pumasok.
D-Tanks, don't step up that much. D-Tanks, don't step up that much. D-Tanks.
Alay nyo nasa loob, ha?
Open the choke, D-Tanks, come out. D-Tanks. Pull out.
Okay, lumabas. Okay, ano. Pag kayo na, ano nyan, patay.
Kiki, ba't nandiyan ka?
Ingat.
Huwag sa mili, Piggy. Atras ka pa. Dikit ka sa heart.
Careful, shallow.
Wait. Hold. Go southwest nga daw. Go southwest.
Yeah, we're here.
What?
Southwest
Okay.
over the wall. Ready in 5, 4,
Wait.
3, 2, and 1.
Gago mali.
Ang mali pwesto mo, Iki.
Riddle.
Cycle gun.
Kaya ka naman
Fast.
tayo dyan.
3 seconds.
Na-engage ang katul eh.
Okay.
Ready.
Nalayo na naman sila. Hold.
Pwede ka lang
Go
mag-engage.
northeast. North of gate. Dap.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so me ready in 5, 4,
Oh.
3, 2, and 1. Go southeast. Get her to death. Cycle gun. Sino wala sa atin?
Shaper.
Careful.
Ready, Perma.
Careful, Lebron. Tell your D-Tanks.
Go southwest.
Guard runes on the choke. Guard runes.
Go southwest.
Help front.
D-Tanks, get on the
Can I
choke.
heal on the tower, please?
Yun yung
Heal
isa,
Ducky
yun
on
yung
the
isa.
tower.
Ano, Ducky. Careful dyan, bro.
West tower, heal
I
Ducky.
know.
Look on west tower nga daw. Ready? In
Ready.
5, 4, 3. Hindi, akala ko kalaban tong isa. Sorry.
Si Ducky yan.
Careful.
Wait lang. Malayo. Wait lang.
Wait.
Dap.
Stand up na.
Mil.
Ready, Ryu.
May isa pa,
Yeah,
There's one more engage.
Look on the gate. Ready?
Ready.
5, wait lang. 4, 3, 2, and 1. On me. Ba't di na pull yun? Okay lang. Cycle.
They're pushing, your allies pushing.
Later, ito, pre.
Saka
We're cycling now.
Ingat sa...
5 seconds,
push
5
yung alay.
seconds.
West side bomb.
Connor,
Yeah, bomb. West side bomb.
look on the north gate. Shepherd.
You're good.
Wala,
Go
fix.
south. Go southeast. Labas kayo. Tapos over the wall northeast. Ready?
Ready.
Bomb west looking.
Northeast.
Careful.
Got ready to death.
West, bro. West.
Okay.
Ready.
Northeast over the wall. Ready?
Engage first,
Five,
engage sila sa
Salita
front.
yung
Engage sila sa
nag-check
front.
bomb.
on me. Okay. Saka. Fast. They're ready.
Check nyo.
Over the wall ka, pwede ka mag-over the wall northwest.
Yeah.
Perma engage.
Ready again.
Yo, Ali's getting out. Ali's going out. Go out.
Get ready to death. Death now.
Guard us to the choke. Def.
Look on the gate. Ready? In
Malis.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me. Kill these guys. Yeah, nice.
Drag them east na. Walk nyo na sa east. Walk east. Up the hill east.
Guys.
Get out. Help your guys in front.
Shaper.
Up the hill east. Leave. Mount up if you can.
Out.
Yeah, mount up na kamis nyo na. Walk east.
Pop boost east.
They're catching. Just walk east.
Nagmamount na yung alay.
Go.
Yeah, mount up na rin kayo. Mount up.
Go, guys.
Patay ka, Kurt.
Okay lang.
The Primo, get out of there!
Eh,
Run, bro, run.
Go!
Opya.
Means kinukulang ako.
Anong nakakidnap sa akin dun? Kanina, tangina nun, no?
Yung...
Miss na ano, Dust Weaver siya.
The Sweaver Miss. Hindi ko siya nakita. Naka-invis ba siya?
Tumalon sa likod niya.
Ah,
Like, literal na talon talaga sa likod.